Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your email address. Let's begin. Finding your email address is a simple process depending on the platform you are using. It's kind of easy if you use the Evernote web version and the desktop version. But if you're using a mobile device, especially if you're using an Android or an iOS, I want you to hover to the top left corner where you can see your profile icon. If you click that, you would notice that you can see your email address that is associated when you created your account here, right? Now, another option is I want you to click the gear icon, which is the settings. In the bottom part, you can see that there is an option that says more settings, which can give you access to the languages, close account, and change email. If you do that, you will be forwarded to the email notes to and this is going to be the email forwarding. So click that, and what will happen is this is going to be the email address for email forwarding, which we have discussed and covered in a separate video. Now, knowing where your email forwarding or the public email address for your account is kind of important if you wanted to have like a receipts, itineraries, or newsletters directly to your Evernote account. This helps keep everything organized in one place. All right, you can send notes, ideas, or tasks via email to Evernote without opening the app. It's great for jotting down quick thoughts while checking emails. You can automate saving emails and a lot more for specific projects or clients. All right. Of course, it's very useful for professionals in managing multiple tasks and collaborations. Not only that, if you go to the notes right here, for example, we're going to be opening the same note earlier. There is an option here for the three dots. If you click the share button, you would notice that you have an access to the option wherein you can send this note to a specific list of people. For example, if you are in a collaborative environment, if we're working with multiple freelancers, you can enter their names here or even your client for feedback. Make sure you limit the access if you want. All right. For example, it's restricted. If you wanted to give them an authorization, you can choose from any of the following: can edit, can view, or can edit an invite. So why it's important? Because if you enter, for example, an email here, right? If you send that, they would automatically see your email, right? So that means that another way, for example, you're not sure about the email address, you try to click the profile icon and it's not showing you your email address. Try this option. If they receive your invite for the notes, they would definitely get your email address and you can ask them directly. All right, if that makes sense. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.